All right, hey, first grade, we are going to do our dictation page. We are doing Unit 4, Week 1, Day 2. Have your paper out and ready. Put your name on your paper. I'm going to put Miss Herman. All right, get your pounding hands ready. Stretch them out, stretch them out, stretch them out. Okay, our first word. Actually, this week we're learning about the AI and AY. So our first dictation page, we did AI, right? So what are we going to do on this one? AY. Good. AY. So everyone write AY right on your paper like this. And raise your hand if you could tell me what the AY, what do we know about AY? Where does it belong? CJ.
Middle.
Try again. At the end of a word. Good. At the end of a word. So notice how I put like a little line here and it's going to go at the end of the word. So every word we do here, what's going to be at the end of it? AY. Okay. So I see on a few of these I have some blends. Blend shows us that it's two lines underneath, meaning there's two sounds. We hear both of them. Okay. The first word, get your pounding hand ready, is bray. Bray. Bur. A. So what makes your burr sound? Write it down. If you said BR, you are correct. Make sure you have your AY. And then rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. And your handwriting, check it. Make sure you're in the attic or in the basement or in the house. I want nice handwriting. Number 2. Pounding hand, ready? Stay. Stay. St. A. St. A. What's your st? Think about it in your thought bubble. Don't shout it out. Write it down. Write the whole thing down. Okay. It's a blend. St is your ST. And then AY. If you got that one right, give yourself a firework. And then rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. All right, number 3. Get your pounding hand. Day.
Day.
Duh. A. Duh. A. Duh. Well, I know my A is AY, right? Because our whole page is like that. Number 3 is day. So duh is your D. If you said day, give yourself a smiley face. And then rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. All right, number 4. Gray. Gray. A. And that's a blend. So what's our blend? Think about it in your thought bubble. And then A. And then write it in your nicest handwriting. Gray. A. All right, number 5. We have another blend. The word is going to be tray. Tray. A. You hear both those sounds. A. All right, number 5. Tray. Check your work with mine. If you did a good job, give yourself an emoji. or a minion, however you think it looks. And if you notice, we only have one sentence today, so we're going to tap one out, and then you're going to rewrite it. Change your cups to cops. So you're going to check your capitals, organization, punctuation, and spelling. I just said, what does cups mean? Who can tell me what cups means? Jovi, what's C? Capitals. What's O? Gabriel. Organization. What's P? No. P is what, Kaylee? Punctuation. Starts with P. What's the last S? Nick. Spelling. Good. All right, our capital. Here's our sentence. Our sentence is, pay the man for the clay. Pay the man for the clay. So pay. Pay. Well, capital P. And then we're doing our A sound, right? And is that A sound at the end of pay? So it's going to be AY. Then we have a red word, pay the. Man. Do not ask me how to spell man. You know how to spell man. Sound it out. Yes, Hudson. Pay the man for the clay. So man, and then our two red words in a row. We have for, and then the again. So for the. For is not the number 4. Right? You can hear that in the context clues. You're saying pay the man for the clay. You know it's not the number. Yes, Kaylee. There's what? Yes, there is 2 does. And they're both red words, so the. And then clay. Clay. Cool. A. It's a blend. Cool. And then A is at the end of the word, so it's going to be A Y. And then I'll have a period. And my friends, on video, you guys can go ahead and pause the video right now and rewrite your sentence. And then you can come back and check your work. Make sure you look at your letters. Make sure they're in the house. And make sure you have your period. All right, great job, first grade.